In this video, I'll show you how to use Gamma AI as a nurse or healthcare professional to quickly create patient education materials. Let's get started. I'll begin by clicking Create New AI from my dashboard and selecting the Generate option. Since I want a slideshow, I'll select Presentation and then adjust the card count to 6 to keep the information digestible for patients. Now, I'll enter a prompt for post-operative knee replacement care, ensuring I mention that the materials need to be clear and visual. I'll click Generate Outline to see the structure. The AI provides a solid outline covering mobility and pain management, so I'll move forward. I'll set the text style to concise and choose a professional-looking theme like cream. After hitting Generate, the AI starts building the deck automatically. It pulls in relevant imagery and breaks down complex medical instructions into simple sections like home safety, mobility aids, and medication schedules. It even creates a visual recovery timeline and a slide dedicated to warning signs, which is vital for patient safety. Once it's finished, I can review the slides and click on any text block to edit and start changing the content to personalize the information. Using the sidebar on the right, I can also edit and add more elements like videos, forms, or smart diagrams to make the presentation even more helpful. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to use Gamma AI as a nurse or healthcare professional.